This is straight from the freezer. Whether to cook it, not freeze. Cook it from last night. That way it's it tastes better when you use the rice that's sitting down in your refrigerator overnight. Alright, that should be good. Making dinner for 3 people, guys, just for 3 people. So, once we get that in, alright, I'm gonna add some of the sauce, not all of it. Some of it, and turn your burner up a little bit. Remember, the rice is frozen. Simple fried rice recipe to do it tonight, guys. Didn't know what people for dinner, and one month they say, hey, do some fried rice, so fried rice it is. Alright, so while the rice is going to heat up, the rice is already cooked, just need to reheat it. And I'm going to add my peas and carrots. I was trying to get some bean sprouts, but I just went to like 2 different stores and I couldn't find any, so it's cold outside. I said, let me go home. I wasn't trying to stay there all night. But you guys could see our fried rice is coming on great. Getting the color you're looking for. Just need to add some eggs. Wish I had some bean sprout though. Look at in here, guys, is onions, peas, carrots, some garlic. I don't know if you guys missed that, but got some eggs I'm going to add. Add some scrambled eggs. Then I have some more sauce I'm going to add at the end. And you could turn your burner up. Just keep going at it. The best thing is to do is to get a wok that's like mine is very durable. Gotta let it wok the way they're not. As soon as they get hot, the bottom stop burning and stuff. But look at this. That one. I wouldn't say it's non-stick, but it's the food is not sticking to it. It's that high the material that makes it. Yeah, good material. Alright, so I'm going to finish up now by adding the rest of my sauce. You hear that sizzle? And I'm going to go ahead and taste and see if I need anything else. No, that's good. That's good right there. It's not as hot as I want it to be. So we're just going to go ahead and let it heat up. Thanks you guys for watching, whoever it was. I'm going to do a lot more cooking, live cooking, but my live cooking, this is just a sample run. YouTube literally just emailed me and told me I could do live, so let me see what it's about. I'm going to do most of my cooking classes live. I have 3 or 4 unless cooks that tell me they want me to do some cooking classes virtually. Some allergies, some food flavor profiling. Alright guys, we're there. Go ahead and enjoy. Well, I said thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and share my videos and my recipes. Tell your friends about my channel. Let me grow this network. Try to globalize my cooking talent, guys. Thank you.